Hey everyone, welcome to another stream. I am streaming along with walking because my project here takes a lot of time to build. So I thought I'll keep completing my personal projects parallelly because I don't have anything else to work. So today I'm not having multiple screens, I just have one screen, so you'll have to bear with me. Okay, let's see now. Actually what I can do is I can just minimize these. Yep, I can just minimize these. I can just keep this open and I can open my Safari browser. Front end, nope, front end next I need terminal. Oh, I already have so many terminals. npm run dev, and in the next one npm run debug. Let's see localhost 3000. There are a lot of issues up here. First I have to fix this thing, then I have to change this color. This kickby should be in black, or actually with the theme I should change something, not sure. I'll keep trying to open this again and again just to check if I have some chat messages or not. Then I'm also listening to music because who likes to code without that? Okay, over here I know what is the fix for that. The fix for that is making this as 2em. So I can go up here and I can refresh it. I can come up here. Oh, this is bad. So maybe em does not work with this. Let me try giving h full. Let's see what happens. What's the behavior in such case? Let me first fix this thing. This thing is more annoying. Let me move it back to what it was. Thing is, when I refresh the page, the data that I've passed on to this page disappears, and I need to fix that somehow. So basically here I have project details and I'm gonna use some context. Select project. One thing that I can do is I can create a state component up here, which will be like constant project details, set project details. Project schema, sorry. Right, now here I can give null initially, maybe. What's the issue? Okay, right. Now what's the issue? Null cannot be assignable. Right, what's here? I would have used it somewhere else. Yeah. I would have used it somewhere else. Let me see there. In this page, I would have project scheme, huh? There's one error which I know, which is this. These details is an array, so I can just give this. The issue is here, project details is already here, right? Either I can just change this to project, but then again, that's project view, right? Project view is better. What's the issue here now? Oh, this. Yeah, sure, why not? Um, One thing is that project details will never be 0, so I can do length, yeah, and here I can do this. What's the issue with this? I can set this if it is present, right? There are 16 calls for project detail. Okay. Okay, so here, what's the issue come out? It does not exist in type. The error was brackets. Right? Now if this is null, both of them null, it will return div. Actually, yeah, if this is not null, it will set project. So let's see in working if this works. Wait. Right? Okay. Okay, a lot of errors. But if project details is not there, it will return. Now TypeScript can't understand this, huh? Otherwise it's very smart. Okay, oh. Sure. Fair. Too many re-renders. Infinite loop. Let's see. Let's inspect these elements. Okay, too many re-renders. Oh, at which line? Some error. Okay, how is it rendering too many times? Let's see. So project details is a state element. So if selected project is null, it will set project details to selected project. Let's see if this is causing. Yeah, re-render is causing some issues. Hope that this will not cause re-renders. Yep, didn't cause re-render. Refresh. This is undefined, no? Let's see even if this line of code works or not. Running project details. So this is storing inside the project details, but up here it's still coming out to be null. Then I just have one option. Rather than sending out details, I need to do an API fetch here. Then I can just remove all of this stupid stuff. Alright, no project, nothing. Let's remove this as well. Yep, fair. And context is fine. This will need. Oh, okay. Project details. Yeah, project details. I'll get you the project details, brother. Let's get the query from get the ID in the new page. Router not mounted. I think it'll be because which router is this? Which one did I use here? Next. Come on, where's the router navigation, right? Which one did I use here? Gotta write use client, but it's already written. What? And where's router? Okay, use params. Let's see. Yeah, it's printing the ID. Call. I have a project service here, so I can do export const fetch project ID constant response equals to wait check service dot get slash projects slash $. Yep. Turn response dot data and console log response. Right. Okay. That's good, right? Let's call this fetch project up in here. Use effect, and whenever the page mounts, then we will do where project details project schema, right? And here where response equals project details equals to await and async, right? That's how we make it async, right? No? What's that? Whatever, we'll fetch project I've used here, right? It's a good day outside. Is it a good day for me? Nope. not a good day. But I'm more concerned about just creating this project. That's it. If it is undefined, that is, and I'll just put a to do up here to create a loading animation and put it here. Right. What's this? Async, yeah. I don't know the syntax. I'll just ask it to them. Oh, gotta create a folder inside it. What was that? Okay. Cool. Let's just console log idea, console log data to here, and let's see. Yep, got the data. So ID is coming out here. One thing that I could have done is, like, instead of putting it here, like putting it here won't change the page or refresh the page because this is not a state variable. So I need to create a state variable. Project details, set project details equals to use state Let's see. One thing, yeah. Yep, now this will work every time I refresh, but it's gonna make a call towards the backend. For every refresh, it's gonna make a call. Maybe some rate limiting or something needs to be done over here. But overall, like if we remove that thing, okay, now I can fix. Now one thing that I can go and fix here is, what was the issues? The layout. Over here I can go and fix this one. This is working as well. Before it fails, let me just do this. Yep, everything's working. Let me just do this and check. Working. Let me do just this and check. It's getting smudged, but that's fine. We'll see. I don't intend to make this website for mobile phones. Now quick buy. Anything coming up? Nope. So that's what we need to fix now, right? Okay, let's git status. Let's just commit to this quickly because we never know. What else did we do? UI update and reload issue. Yeah, I'm just committing to master. Okay. I was just checking if my code is working or not. But that's completely fine. Let's see what else we need to do. Okay, so over here there are some things that we need to fix. What are those? Purchase project, obviously that's one of it. Let me just quickly see in my project what things that I have not made yet. So all of these things are there, which is good thing. Component login system is left. I think we can start by Google Auth on login system. I'll start by circular login button. This is something that I need to create. Don't need React over here. This is something that I'll do, and circular login button .tsx. Right, there's some issues. One is obviously I need to create an interface for the interface of circular login button props, which will take user data as there should be some model for the user data, but I'm not sure what to add here. Let's backtrack it from navbar. Here the circle data will have user, and that user will come from context. I'll just add this here. So user context, yep, and constant context, not context. Then we need to do handle context error. Context not found, right? And then this is done by here. Right, so user is there. Second do circular login button. User state will have user, which is of type user. Now where is this type user? Types.ts. Yep, this is the user. I think need to see what is this. What will be the set user state? Okay, so set user is this one. Let's see if this works. User data name does not access. Will add, right? So logout button. Basically we just need to check and just assign. That's fine with it. And Google Auth is left. Might need to pause it for a while. So in the props set user, that will be something here, this one. Let me see there what I'm passing here. Okay, context. Yeah, I'm back. So this was the okay, so set user here. Here I can just do set user and I can just give it the same value. Right? Let's see. Google props. What's the issue? let's see, login user is not there, so that was in auth service. So I don't have my auth service right now. I can just create a new file, auth service.js, and I can go up here, get my auth service, right, sign 307. Okay, yep, now the login user is here. I'm exporting that as well. Can go up to Google. Okay, I'll remove this. I'll just try to import it again. It's taking some time. Where is my login service one? I forgot where I was. Circular, I think. Where was that login button? Oh, it's in Google. Is it in Google? Where's the login button gone? I was just making that change. Oh, I don't know how it is not coming out here. Auth service is there. Google Auth login service. Let's see. How is my service defined? Where's the other service imported? That's in the project page, right? Yep. From services, project service. Let's see. Auth service. Login. What the? Login user. Do login user here. I've never seen the import system be so bad, but that is fine. So what else do I need to do here? Done. Google Auth, link importer. This is done. No errors. Now let me go ahead and try it once. There's my, yep. See a Google Auth here. You can just use my account ID. You can continue. Done. Why is my photo not coming? And also logout is very bad here. To make sure, need to do this fix, but button works. Button works, right? No, button not working. Okay. Circle, logout, logging out, clear. That's because I've not created, like if I refresh I am storing it, so I should be storing it somewhere in the nav bar. In I think I need session also for this. In here, if I check the nav bar, I am not using session up here. In this set user, maybe in the apps side. Yep, this have I used this here? Layout. I already have this up here. I'm using it here, so logout. There should be a nav bar. Inside the nav bar there should be a logout issue. Google Auth set circular, done. Google Auth, is there logout? No. Circular login, yep. Show logout is fine. Google logout, getting from Google user state. Is there some on click that I'm missing? Let me see the console. Server responded Google. Okay. Google rate limited me. So I need to wait a while. Google rate limited me. Maybe I am that should be for the photo. I'm rate limiting for the photo, not for any. This is the photo content. Logout I'll fix in a while, man. That's fine. This is fine by now. Razorpay. Need to write the purchase product page in here. This purchase project, now this flow we'll have to see. One thing is that over here we need to do this purchase project. Download project is here, verify payment is here, order creation is here, and then load script is here. So I'll go ahead and copy all of this. We'll remove the payment state from here. I'll remove this from here. There we go. You can just copy our purchase project. How do we fix this now? So there are some issues here, which is like user is possibly null, but I've handled it here now. We can return here project cannot find name purchase project. Okay, let's see if can't find the name purchase project. Why? Purchase project. Yep, now you can find expected 0 to 2 arguments, but got 3. This is a weird callback URL that I created. So removing download project helper. Do we have that here? No. You can get it from here. Project helper. Right. So I can do is I can get it here. Okay. So project details will come as project schema. Then that should be good. File URL will get from here, download project. Response, download, blah blah blah, file URL. Verify payment would be blah 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 here. Initial order creation, load script. So everything is fine. Everything is almost fine. It's just that when this is done and when we move to this, we need to just check somehow. We need to wait for this thing, like this handle function to get completed. We need to wait for this verification to complete actually before going on to that. This I need to do. I think I need to what's the error? Fetch project doesn't exist in target module. Oh crap. fetch project is not here. I can do that again. Constant response equals to wait project service dot get project slash $id and then return response dot data. This should be good. Come on, man, I have a fetch project over here now. It's not in project service. Which file is it? ID page. Ah, crap, this is not the file. That's the file. Yeah. Come on, open. What's the issue here now? Ouch. My neck. Oh, did I not uncomment that? Project, yep, I didn't uncomment it. So one thing that we need to do now is that we're getting the details up here. Just like selected project, we are setting it up here. One thing is like blob URL. This blob URL is coming up here, which is a href. So I can just mark it as a string, right? And this download project file URL. If not file URL, then return and console log file not found on server. Right? That's fine, no error, right? Okay. One thing that we'll do now is, since okay, there's the thing, right? We can't pair them. That I have known now. Like we need to the issue is with this quick buy. The buy up here, this is easy to implement, very easy to implement. The buy there is hard stuff. What's an experience that I can have here is like I click on it, portal opens, I buy stuff. What else can I do then? What if the payment failed? How do I stop the buying? This is going to happen in two phases. One is like this page is fine. If you click this buy now, this can be taken care of very easily. The issue is on this page we have this project listed which come up into this folder, right? Here If you click this purchase project helper, what if the user is not here? That's fine, right? Yeah, here it is not fine if user is not here, because here we need it, otherwise it's fine, right? Okay. I can put a state variable is project purchased, set is project purchased. This is a state variable that I'll put here. Boolean, and null, it's gonna be initially. Now if user is there, right, and if user is there, I want to do a fetch, or actually I want to put a effect on user. For that I'll need the user ID up here. I'll need a user ID up here, and then okay. Then I need to put if user is present, then only do this. Otherwise there's no point, right? If user is present, then do this, and project selected project dot ID. We'll make this async. Then is project purchased. Right, and up here I can do constant is project purchased by user equals to fetch is project details. Now fetch project details. Up here I can just give it the current user, right? Set its project details. Project purchased by user. So instead of doing this, I can just do set is project purchased to use project purchased. That's it. Right, now I need to write this method inside project services. Now, since this is a project service, I'm going to pass the user ID, right? I'll tell you how it works. Projects user user ID. Now this service should be giving me all the users, all the projects that this particular user is having. Basically, can I get the users? How about I do project ID / users. This is good. The project service up here, I can just do. Now I'll need to start from the routes. Project route, get route ID / users. That's what I wrote, right? Yep. Get catch error. Need to create a controller over here. Users for the project. Address. Now I need to go into the project services. I need to do right, and then async project ID. should be project dot get users console log users, right, and return users. I'll try this on my Postman first, then we'll see. Wait, my routes had, oh, it's not gonna be project ID, it's gonna be ID, right? Console log get users okay. So this I need to use in my routes. But I didn't export it. Let me go up here, open this. That's my project ID. Actually, this whole thing is gonna be needed. Let's open Postman, my copy shop project. Let's add a new route. Get users for project slash users. This should trigger that, right? Not found. Okay. Oh wait. Hit controller. Come up here. Where are you gone? Yeah. Console log get users. Okay, so get users is not coming up here. Why? Okay, let me see console log rec params.id. Let's see again. What? Is the route not found? That is weird, no? /id and get is the route, localhost, projects, id and users. So this id is gonna be coming there in the string. Get users for project. Where is the even the route is not found. Let me ask users, projects, id and users. I know this is 307, bro. It's not 3000, it's 307. Yeah, projects is not defined. Okay, now I have something. You can check that. Project controller id. Is it also for 500? Okay, projects is not found, defined. /projects is defined. Where is my id? Oh, id is getting printed here. Crap. Get users is not defined. This I need help in. Actually I need help in this. Let me start on. I don't have that. Let me paste it to my models, associations, projects, blah blah blah, and make. Sure, bro. Thank you. Where is get user now? What? It is returning me the values, right? Where is the wait, it returned the users from here, and service will go to the controller will get the users. Okay, this is the project user. This is not defined. Anyways, I do know what the user says. Sorry. So I can just send it. Give me the response. It won't, because I've not set. This is not how you return users. User.json, and you pass the users inside. That was my bad. Yeah, users will give you an array. So this I can plug up here now. This will get me the users, and just do console log of response from fetch users, and I can get the response. Right, this is going to give you an array, and I just need to filter out the actual value from here. Have I plugged it up somewhere? Wait a second. Yeah. Let me go up here and I will refresh it. Can't find the variable fetch is project purchased. Fetch is project purchased. The project is the promise is getting rejected. Project tx .30. What's wrong with it? Why is user not getting set up here? Current user. Okay, so now it should be returning some user, no? I need to revisit the whole model, how is this getting graded. How long have I streamed? 1 hour or so. Cool. We'll stream tomorrow then. That's it. Thanks guys. Have a good day. Bye.